Hey, I'm Trainroom Gary, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to do some running some shelf burners, things that sit on my train shelves and don't get run much because they're conventional. And I have over here my train crew. Who do we have for train crew today?
I am Adam, and I am 9.
And who's next to you?
She's Abby. No, Abigail. She's 3. I'll just say it. Okay.
What's your name, little girl?
I'm Abby, and I'm 3.
Abby says she's 3. Okay, who's on the end over here?
I'm Noah, and I'm 8.
All right, Adam, tell us about one of these locomotives.
So this is these both are Williams, and this is Wisconsin Central, and this is Chesapeake in Ohio, and this are Lionel. This is a Lionel line steam locomotive, and that's a Santa Fe diesel. All of these are diesels except for this.
And Noah, what do you want to add to that?
So this number is 2025, and this is 1234, and the Santa Fe is 8810, and the CNO is 98.
Okay, guys, let's
98 and 95.
All right, guys, let's take them over to the layout and let's start running this stuff. What do you think?
Yep.
Give me a thumbs up for this. Okay, we're over at the Transformers, and here's my train crew. What do you got going here, Adam? Tell us about the Transformers.
So this is for the inside lower loop. This is for the upper green loop. This is for the middle red line, and this is for the outer main line.
Okay, right now the power's at full blast. What do we got to do now?
Turn off the power.
So you're going to turn all the power off because the computerized trains like MTH DCS and Lionel, they require 18 volts at all time. Conventional does not require full voltage. So turn all the transmitters down. You got all 4 lines turned down?
Yep.
Okay, Adam, show us neutral. Is it in neutral?
Yes, it is.
Okay, neutral is kind of cool because we have it, it's all lit up here, as you can see with this pan on down here. Okay, what should be the next gear after neutral? Should it be forward, you think, or reverse?
I don't know, whichever one we just did.
All right, give it some forward, see what happens.
Do it some forward or some reverse?
Whatever it does, give it what it does, but slowly. And there's reverse, which is good. Okay, pause it there. All right, looking good and forward. All right, take it all the way around. Watch your. Take it all the way. That's fine. Let's keep it going. Keep it at that speed right there. All right, see if the horn works. Yeah, the curves causes some friction, but that's still working good. Now, what train are you guys going to run next?
Lionel line steam locomotive.
All right, let's take a look at the engine here. It's over here on the layout. And see if we can get it neutral. All right, check the whistle. Do we have whistle? That's pretty cool. Hit the whistle again. That's the old, some kind of motor that spins a whistle. Hit the whistle again. All right, put it in gear. Let's see if it goes forward or reverse now. Okay, what's next? That's reverse. Okay, take it back to neutral. Let's show us neutral again. All right, I'll give it. Looks good. All right, I'll give it forward now. All right, take her forward. This is an old post-war steamer from Lionel, all conventional.
Classic Lionel, makes lots of sparks.
sparks and smoke. That's still smokes too.
It makes terrifying sparks.
This one really rocks and rolls. That smoke's pretty good, doesn't it? Hopefully it shows up in the video, but we got smoke, guys. This old engine is still smoking.
After I put some smoke fluid in it, it just started smoking again.
All right, what train you guys gonna run now?
A Lionel Santa Fe diesel.
Diesel. All right, this is it over here, right next to the line outlines. All right, see what it does. Can you get it in neutral first? All right, take it away. That looks good. Just take it away, and we'll try neutral later. Essentially, we got power here, guys. This old Santa Fe.
So this is the same engine that my dad had when he was about my age, and it still works.
Yeah, still right. That's kind of interesting. This is their dad's engine back in the 80s when he was a kid. All right, see if we can get to go forward. Okay, Adam, what train are you going to run next?
A Wisconsin Central switcher locomotive by Williams.
By Williams, that's over here on the red line. Let's kind of pan up here and see if we can find it. All right, see if you can get it and go to neutral. Looks like they have neutral. Looks pretty good in neutral. All right, see if the whistle or bell works in neutral. No go? Okay. All right, put it in gear. It might go reverse now, but whatever you do it gently. We got them all running, but boy, this conventional stuff's pretty quick. All right, listen, guys, we're all done testing the conventional operations. What do you guys think of conventional operations?
Love them.
Well, good, huh? All right, let's do our closing here. What do you got there?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. What else? Subscribe. Abby, should they subscribe? Subscribe? You think they should subscribe?
Yes.
What button should they hit?
Bell.
Bell and the like button. That's it. And all together, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Please check out these fine videos from my YouTube channel.